Ka Shillong Hyundai hakasingi balanga khat new trick ujamang araja arpulai kala plepat ba ya ka jaka trekam betumai jongkani ka servicing center ka belajar kerteng Hy Shopee na gabanda ban pensuk ya ki pat ba ki baju phachna kali bat ki baju penun kam da ki ter kitar jongka company ya kani ka jaka trekam ka betumai jongka Hyundai la plepat ba da official khair ubade u zonal business head u Gopesh Gupta ubade u zonal part and service head u Badrinath CU regional sales head u Angshu Mali Sarkar regional parts and service head haringkat ke jingadon lang jong uba keti marbanyang ubari utrai jong ka Shillong Hyundai badru kibayeng basam katika jaka trekam betumai jong ka Shillong Hyundai kadon hajan jong ka modern football ha Fire Brigade Laitumkhrah Shillong hakane ka Hy Shopee la banwan bu ya ki kali ke balas new kum ki jingje ya takho but onra pat samawyong ya ka bon sawan ra byang hakate ka ju ka jaka ha Fire Brigade hakate ka jaka la ru banyo ya ki tiar kitar jongi kali Hyundai hakane ka singi shuaban play pai ba ya kate ka jaka la pdyang sobha ya ki he jong ko Hyundai keblon poi ha ka nong ba Shillong da ka bata umpnyang hakaru kom ki khasi but lapun kup ru ya ki jain rendia but ki sentio but la od ru ya uke kum ka da ka jinkmen bala play pai ba ya kate ka jaka trekam ka bachumai hakane gasngi nalo utrai jong ka Shillong Hyundai laidon langru kinong train ki blasha khot sobha but la panchong shit ru hakane gasngi da ka kanon roi jong ka snap paka
from here, since this is the third in the entire country, but I think the concept itself is like for the customer the convenience. The most important thing is the convenience and quick service. So the customer walking in, you have all the other accessories at display. He has his own time, he has his own place to shop around. But a very good concept, and thank you very much. Proud to be associated with that. Thank you.
To the Shillong team, in fact, for entering into this venture. This is one of the kind of the new concept which actually Shillong Hyundai adopted the same. And this is one of the new initiative which has been started by Shillong Hyundai. And again, as Adam told, this is for the convenience of the customers. We want our customers to come over here, relax in the lounge, and can have the cars get decorated like we go into the spa and get our self prepared. Like that, you can get your cars prepared over here by relaxing in the lounge. And you can get the accessories also installed in your vehicle by having relaxing in the customer lounge. So all the best to all Shillong team and really impressive. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thanks to the entire Shillong team. So already bosses have already expressed their views on this. So I am quite proud to be a part of this journey from the very beginning, because last I think it was just after COVID. That time we gave this proposal to them, and then they adapted, and then they exceeded our expectation also, I must say. So thanks a lot to Mr. Katie and the team. And then this is really a nice setup which has come up in the heart of the city. And I wish you all the best and wish you all the prosperity in this business with this new concept of Hy Shopee. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Shillong team, Katie sir, thank you so much for giving a best facility north of the city. Thank you once again. All the best to the entire team. Thank you.
Graciously being here for this occasion, which we really was waiting for a very long time. But knowing how busy you all are with your schedule. So, however, thank you. Thank you for the press people to be here who will carry our message forward. Whatever we could have done with the company's support, we've brought facilities for the customers of Shillong. And it is through you all this message can go ahead to the customers and to the public of Shillong. Thank you for being here, taking out your precious time for our occasion. Thank you, all colleagues, friends, members of Shillong Hyundai, the Shillong Hyundai family, the Shillong Hyundai Shopee family. Thank you for being here, and we look forward that whatever has been done will be taken up in a serious manner and customer is addressed. We hope that our satisfaction level with Hyundai increases with this additional facility here. I haven't come prepared much, but well, okay, Hyundai would translate to Hyundai in Korea would translate as modernity in English. So Hyundai basically started off as a construction company. Thereafter it grew in all fields with that vision of modernity. And one of the first, the logos was new possibilities, new thinking, which has now been transferred and changed and growing every year, in all fields. If we got the opportunity to visit Korea once, and you see Hyundai is everywhere. They're in the banking sector, they're in the customer sector, they're all fields, all fields. It's not only vehicles, they're in the power sector, they're in the iron and steel industry. So it's a huge company which we feel as Shillong Hyundai to be very lucky to be associated with. We're very lucky that we are associated for the last 12 years with Hyundai Motors on the island. And since then, we've been growing, we've been enjoying our association, and our brand in the Shillong market today has really increased as compared to what it was 12 years ago. Well, I don't know, what else do I say? Well, this when Hyundai first came up with this talk that we should go in for Hyundai Shopee, I was saying, what the hell? We have to sell just accessories? I mean, it's just going to be a counter, a small shop? No, but now looking at it, it's totally a different concept. It's something which is, I mean, it's a great thing. And yeah, I never imagined it would be something like this. So thank you for getting this concept, getting this idea, and helping us implement it.
siêu điều hòa gần chạm môi anh biết là cả trái bình riêng sang đi u khao là u rep đi u he yang scam no ta hay là cả trong e mình nở ba ite kan roi tang yang tha di serba